The use of common symbols. Another striking similarity among ancient civilizations is the use of common symbols. For instance, the circle, a simple geometric figure, holds sacred and significant meanings in numerous ancient civilizations. Let's delve into the ancient Indian civilization as an example. In Hinduism, the mandala, which translates to circle, is used as a symbol of the universe and universality. Mandalas are extensively incorporated in ceremonies and spiritual education, signifying the concept of unity and wholeness. The symbolism of the circle extends to Mongolian and Tibetan civilizations as well. Here, the circle is portrayed as a symbol for the world, the divine, and even the cyclical nature of life. In yantra and mandala paintings, the circle is a representative emblem of the cosmos and unity. Even in Native American cultures, the circle holds immense significance. It symbolizes life and the cycle of nature. The Great Circle of Life, which is depicted as a circle, represents natural cycles such as birth, death, and the recurrence of life. Therefore, the use of common symbols, like the circle, is a widespread phenomenon among various ancient civilizations. Their presence in disparate cultures, disconnected by time and geography, yet united by similar symbolic interpretations, continues to intrigue scholars and historians alike. Common art and crafts. For millennia, a fascinating correlation can be observed in the world of arts and crafts. Independent of each other, ancient civilizations across the globe have manifested strikingly similar techniques in construction, brickmaking, coloring methods, sculpture, and jewelry making. Consider the example of brickmaking, an art that was mastered by the ancient Sumerians, Egyptians, and even the Native Americans of North America. What's truly remarkable is that each of these civilizations, ensconced in vastly different corners of the world, evolved similar construction techniques with no feasible means of sharing ideas or influencing each other. This pattern extends to the art of jewelry making as well. The Egyptians, Romans, and even native South Americans independently discovered similar methods for crafting intricate adornments from precious metals such as gold and silver. In addition to these, there exist common threads in coloring techniques and thematic portrayals across civilizations. For instance, the use of earthy hues in the depiction of humans and animals in rock art. These artistic expressions resonate across diverse cultures, from the earliest Europeans to native Australians, and even in North America up until the 20th century. The multitude of these resemblances across time and space underlines a compelling narrative, one that demonstrates how ancient civilizations, isolated from each other, could nonetheless converge on similar artistic and craft developments. This intriguing fact continues to prompt more questions than answers in our quest to unravel the interconnected tapestry of human history. To be continued.